In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert changes in Elementor. Elementor is a powerful page builder for WordPress that enables you to create beautiful, dynamic web pages with ease. But, as with any tool, sometimes you may find that you've made a change you want to undo. Fortunately, Elementor has built-in features to help you revert changes and get back to your desired design. The first method I want to discuss is the History feature, which is an incredibly handy tool in Elementor. It allows you to track and manage all the edits you make during a session. To access this feature, start by opening the Elementor editor for the page you're working on. Once you're in the editor, look to the bottom panel and find the icon that looks like a clock. Click on it, and this will open the History panel on the left. Here, you can see a list of all the actions you've taken. To revert to an earlier change, simply click on the entry in the list that corresponds to the desired step, and your page will instantaneously return to that version. This feature is particularly useful when you've experimented with different design elements and need to compare outcomes or revert mistakes without restarting your design. Additionally, Elementor automatically saves revisions each time you update your page. These revisions can be extremely helpful if you've exited the editor and need to roll back changes later. To access revisions, click on Revisions at the top of the History panel. This will show you the different auto-saves and any manual saves that were made. Click on a specific revision to preview it if you're happy with it, apply it to your page. This option is great for when you need to undo changes after navigating away from the editor or if you want to explore how your design has evolved over time. Another approach involves using browser shortcuts. If you've made a quick change and immediately realize you need to undo it, a simple keystroke might be the fastest solution. On Windows, you can use Ctrl-Z, and on Mac, Cmd-Z, to undo your last action. Keep in mind, though, that this method only undoes the most recent changes and depends on your browser's functionality. Lastly, Elementor offers the option to save templates. Before making significant changes, consider saving your current design as a template. By doing this, you can easily import the entire design back into your page if you need to revert extensive changes. Go to the bottom panel and click on the folder icon, then save your page as a template. Later, if you need to restore everything, you'll find your saved templates in the My Templates section. So there you have it, several reliable methods to revert changes in Elementor, whether you need to go back just one step or restore an entire design. By using these tools, you can experiment with confidence, knowing that you can always go back if needed. I hope you find these tips useful in managing your Elementor editing more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!